Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2015 Charter SE Sundowner 2-horse straight load bumper pull. This trailer is champagne in color. It is 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide, aluminum wheels. It does have the gravel guard on the nose. It does have the 2 windows in the front of the nose that slide open for the dressing room. It has full running boards. It does have 2 full escape doors with slider windows in those escape doors. A little bit of cosmetic damage here, a couple little scrapes, a couple little kick marks there on that door, nominal. It's very minor. It has sliders on the rear. It has windows in the Dutch doors, so it's a ramp with Dutch doors with windows. They do clip back. It does have load lights. It's got padded dividers and chest and butt bars. It does have 2 roof vents. It does have the head divider. I may have said that already. Horse box is in great shape, no issues. Padding's all good. We just washed it, so you'll see some water in here because we just literally got it washed. Just came in. Load light, or actually a light over that dressing room door. I'm going to shut that door, that full escape door, and show you that dressing room here in a minute. But I want to show you cosmetically up at the top of the trailer. I'm going to kind of zoom in. You can see kind of some tree scratches across the top. I don't know 100% if they are scratches. A lot of time it will be sap, and those do come out. We just wash. We don't buff and wax and do all that kind of stuff here. I do feel like that those would come out if you took some pressure and tried to work on those up high. But full disclosure, that is the only 2 things, that and that other escape door. Any issues whatsoever, small cosmetic issues on this particular Charter SE Sundowner. So full running boards, I think I said that too. Dressing room has brush box on the door, window on the door. It does have the see-through window to the horse box, bridle hooks, blanket bar, 2 saddle racks. Again, those windows from this angle, spare tire. Excellent shaped trailer, big, 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall, Charter SE Sundowner. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. If you would like the price, go to carolinatrailersales.com or give me a text or phone call. You guys have a great day.